At DeHart Plumbing, Heating, and Air, we truly care for our community. That's why we created the Love Club, our exclusive membership program designed to give you year-round peace of mind. With an ongoing membership, you receive a 20% discount on repairs backed by a lifetime warranty, plus 2 seasonal HVAC tune-ups and an annual whole-home plumbing inspection to keep your systems running smoothly. Need us fast? Love Club members get front-of-the-line service within 48 hours and a discounted $49 diagnostic fee on any heating, cooling, or plumbing repair. We make it easy with hassle-free scheduling and maintenance reminders so you never miss an essential service. From heating and cooling to leaky faucets, drains, and more, you can trust our award-winning team to keep your home safe, efficient, and comfortable. At DeHart, you are the heart of our business. Join the Love Club today. Call or book online and experience the DeHart difference.